Hi, in this video we're going to change the subject to the formula where we have a whole expression to some power. So you can see this ax plus b is all to the power of 3. And remember, to change the subject to the formula, if we want to make x the subject to the formula, it means we get x on its own on one side of the equation. So we need to get this x freed up. It's like peeling the layers of an onion around it to just get the x in the center. Right, so we just think about what's happening to x and undo those things. We unpeel the onion, if you like. X is being multiplied by a, then we're adding b to it, and then that whole thing is being cubed. So we undo the last thing that happened to x. The last thing was cubing, so we undo that by doing the opposite, which is cube rooting. So we cube root both sides, so cube root like that. Remember, cube root we write as a root symbol with a little 3 on the left. And we cube root that as well. So when we cube root the left, we get the cube root of y. And when we cube root the right-hand side, the cube root just cancels out that cubed, leaving the ax plus b, like that. And again, we want to try and get x on its own. So x has been multiplied by a, then we added b to it. We undo the last thing of adding b, which is to subtract b from both sides of the equation. So we subtract b from both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, we get the cube root of y minus b. Make sure that it doesn't look like the minus b is under that root, because it's not. Then the right-hand side, the plus b and minus b cancel, leaving ax. And then finally, because x has been multiplied by a, you want to get rid of that times by a, we divide both sides of the equation by a. So if we do that, the left-hand side, we get the cube root of y minus b all over a. And then on the right-hand side, we just left with x. And that is the final answer, because we got x on its own on one side of the equation. You might want to write x on the left-hand side, so we could say x equals and then that, if you prefer.